In today's video, we are going to learn an important topic from science called matter around us. In this lesson, we will learn Introduction of matter, states of matter, solids, liquids, gases, diffusion, diffusion in solids, diffusion in liquids, diffusion in gases, fluids. So, let's begin. Matter around us. Everything around us is made up of matter. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, the books we read, and even our own body are made of matter. Introduction of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Mass means the amount of substance present in an object. Occupies space means it takes up some room. For example, a chair has mass and occupies space, so it is matter. Water has mass and occupies space, so it is matter. Air also has mass and occupies space, so it is matter. Therefore, everything around us is made of matter. States of matter. Matter exists mainly in three states. Solid, liquid, gas. Each state has different properties. Let us learn them one by one. Solids. Solids have a definite shape and a definite volume. The particles in solids are tightly packed together. Because of this, solids are hard and rigid. They do not flow from one place to another. Examples of solids are stone, chair, table, book, pencil, brick, coin, eraser. Solids keep their shape unless a force is applied. Liquids. Liquids have a definite volume but no definite shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are kept. The particles in liquids are less tightly packed than in solids. Therefore, liquids can flow easily. Examples of liquids are water, milk, oil, juice, tea, paint, vinegar, syrup. Liquids can be poured from one container to another. Gases. Gases have neither a definite shape nor a definite volume. The particles in gases are very far apart and move freely in all directions. Gases fill the entire space available to them. Examples of gases are air, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, LPG, helium, methane. Gases can spread very quickly because their particles move freely. Diffusion. Now let us learn about diffusion. Diffusion is the movement of particles from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration until they become evenly distributed. In simple words, diffusion is the natural mixing and spreading of particles. Diffusion occurs in solids, liquids, and gases. Diffusion in solids. Diffusion takes place in solids, but it is very slow. This is because the particles in solids are tightly packed and cannot move freely. Example: copper and zinc particles slowly mix with each other to form brass. Another example is soldering, where metals slowly diffuse into one another. Therefore, diffusion in solids is the slowest. Diffusion in liquids. Diffusion occurs faster in liquids than in solids. This is because the particles in liquids have more space and can move more freely. Example: when a drop of ink or food color is added to water, it slowly spreads throughout the water. Another example is milk mixing with tea. Therefore, diffusion in liquids is faster than in solids. Diffusion in gases. Diffusion occurs fastest in gases. This is because gas particles are very far apart and move rapidly in all directions. Example: the smell of perfume spreads throughout a room. The aroma of cooking spreads across the house. These are examples of diffusion in gases. Therefore, diffusion in gases is the fastest. Fluids. Substances that can flow are called fluids. Liquids and gases are known as fluids. They can move from one place to another and take the shape of their container. Examples of fluids are water, milk, oil, juice, air, helium, natural gas, LPG. All liquids and gases are fluids because they can flow easily. Let us quickly revise today's lesson. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Matter exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Solids have a fixed shape and fixed volume. Liquids have a fixed volume but no fixed shape. Gases have neither fixed shape nor fixed volume. Diffusion is the natural spreading of particles. Diffusion is slowest in solids. Diffusion is faster in liquids. Diffusion is fastest in gases. Liquids and gases are called fluids because they can flow. Thank you students for watching this video. If you found this lesson helpful, like, share, and subscribe to A.S. Classes for more science lessons. See you in the next class. Thank you.